Hello, everybody. It is Vlogmas day 5. If you're new here, I'm Anita. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist. And today I am coming to you on a Sunday evening to talk to you about what I do on Sundays. So I do not actually do client work on Sundays, but what I do like to do is make sure that I have a good plan for the week. So part of how this is fun, sticking up, yeah. Part of how I do that is really take a look at my calendar and see kind of what I have coming up for myself and my own business, as well as my family and my clients. And what I try to do is kind of mark out the time that I need to do different projects. Now, some people will call this time blocking. I do not kind of block hour by hour. I just know, okay, on this evening, I can work on this client and these kind of tasks. And this day, I have a couple of hours and I can work on that task. And that's kind of how I do it. I make sure to make a date with myself every Sunday to do this because it helps me to really stay on track. And just the weeks that I get super busy and I put this off, that next week is really not as productive as it could be. So I'd love to hear, do you have a day where you really look at your schedule and you figure out what you're doing? Or do you have some sort of other system? I would love to hear it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, subscribe if you like content about growing your business and helping you. And I'd love it if you'd like this video to let me know if you like this Vlogmas Business Edition participation. All right, bye.